Welcome to my YouTube channel, hashtag Sweet Caroline, and let's go to Hotel Okura at the Yawaragi Resto and Buffet dito sa New World Resorts. Pagpasok mo pa lang, wow, damang-dama mo na para kang nasa Japan. Kitang-kita niyo ba yung ambience? Ayan, may bar, and napakalawak, very spacious, and para kang wala sa Manila actually. And pag feel mo rito, para ka lang naglalakad sa Japan. So, dumating kami dito around 11 o'clock. So, ang buffet ay 12 o'clock. Ayan. So, we had more time to look around. And dadalhin ko kayo sa buffet. But, hindi ko pa masabi kung ano yung mga nasa buffet. It's because wala pang label. They are just trying to do the labeling. So, ayan. But, I'm gonna show you. I bet these are sushi variety for the appetizers. Yan. Okay? So, let's look around. Parang ang sarap talaga. We can savor the flavor dito pa lang. There you go, the salads. And I will make an honest review of the Hotel Okura buffet. Okay? I think authentic naman. Very authentic Japanese cuisine. Yan. So, there you go. Yan ang kanilang grilling station with the maraming klase ng fish actually. Okay? There you go. And dito naman sa may bar, pwede kayong bumili ng mga desserts like cakes, yan, varied kinds of dessert. And mukha naman napakasarap, di ba? Yan. Wow, merong mango sans rival. I hope to try that. Mahilig tayo sa sans rival. Yan. Okay. A little bit pricey, but well, if it's, nandito ka naman sa Hotel Okura, medyo mahal talaga yan. Okay, so just enjoy the view, and later on, we are going to make an honest review about the food, and of course, the ambience, what we experience here at the Hotel Okura. On our table is the various kind of sushi as appetizer, napakasarap. And the ribeye, I think this is smoked Australian ribeye, very tender, comes with the side dishes. Yan. It was also grilled. Yan. And of course, soup like sukiyaki soup and the kimchi soup. 100% masarap. Now we have the mains here like the beef stroganoff. Yan. Also this one like it had some chicken. Yan. And also the buta no kakuni, which is pork. Yan, masarap to. Highly recommended ko yan. There you go. So, super busog. And, pwede ka lang mag-lie down. Not really lie down. Pwede ka mag-slouch dito sa couch. Just enjoy everything, the view. Mababait naman ang waiters. And of course, yung mga cocktails, sodas, they're unlimited as well. Okay, unlimited soup. You can order wine, pero syempre, meron siyang another bayad. Yan. That is on our table. And mind you, authentic Japanese talaga ang mapipil mo. So we had this punta ako sa grilling station. Siyempre, ang kukunin mo, yung mga fish na hindi mo nakakain sa araw-araw. Yan. And of course, eto na ang Mango Sans Rebel, the dessert station. Yan. Well, must try kasi kakaiba yung mga desserts. No? The mochi, tatlong klase ng mochi yan. Yan yung panna cotta. Bet ko yung panna cotta. And of course, may mga crinkles, ayan, ice cream, at ito yung surprising. Iba-ibang klase ng ice cream na gusto mong itry. You have the black sesame, of course, the mango, tablay, and the wasabi ice cream. And ayan, nasa plate ko na ang desserts. Panalo naman. Eto na ang mochi. Ang sarap ng mochi. Bet na bet talaga yung original taste ng Japanese mochi. White.
Ito, di ba? Pag kinuha ko yung racket
Tikman
sa
mo.
akin, sabi ko ano yung best, ano dyan, yung racket na.
Masarap yung tableya.
Tsaka
Hindi siya
tableya.
masyadong matamis, which is good. Hindi ganong katamis ang kanilang mga ice cream. So let's try the wasabi. Ito Japanese na Japanese. Wasabi. Wasabi ice cream. Baka hindi mo bet ang wasabi dahil hindi ka sweet tooth, but must try. Kaya nakakamangha naman ang taste ng black sesame. Kakaiba din, di ba? At syempre, birthday ito ng aking brother-in-law ni Ped. So happy birthday! At dahil sa only drinks, of course, authentic Japanese taste, and of course, perfect ang service, at ang ambience perfect din. So relaxing, good. But I gave it an 8 kasi nga may hinahanap pa akong ibang food. But overall, for 3,200 or 3,500, it's worth it. Lunch na kayo dito sa Hotel Okura, dito sa resto na ito. So, what can I say? Umami. Very good service, very good food, at very authentic Japanese taste. Plus the place and the ambience, of course. So, it's really worth it. So, come here for a great Japanese experience. We had a good time here. So, see you here at Yawaragi Buffet and Resto here at Hotel Okura. Please like and subscribe. Hashtag Sweet Caroline.